And now for our cute little ladybug. We have a black 160 inflated most of the way, leave about a 5-inch tail. And then a pink 260, inflated also with about a 5-inch tail. You can do it with red, yellow, whatever color you like, it doesn't matter. We'll start with our 260, twist a small 1/2-inch bubble in the end, make that into an ear twist. Remember to get the knot into that. It helps if you hold the knot and then twist the little bubble on the end around. Now we're going to make about a 6 to 7-inch bubble, another 1/2-inch bubble in the back, which we will also make into an ear twist, and then we're going to lay it alongside in another matching bubble, same size as this other long one. Twist that around the first ear twist, and then one more time we'll come up across the back. And I'll typically make this one slightly longer so it bows up just a little bit. Wrap that around the back ear twist. Take our excess off. Twist it around a bit and tuck it up inside there. There's the body of our ladybug. Now we're going to go to our 160. I've trimmed the nozzle extremely close to this so it's not sticking out. Make about a little 3/4 inch bubble there. We're going to twist that in around one of the ear twists. Make sure it's in good. Now we're going to make about a 2-inch bubble for our first front leg, and then another matching 2-inch bubble, and twist that around the ear twist. Now we're going to take and lay this along the underbelly, find out about where the halfway point is, and put a twist there. Then make a little small 1/2-inch bubble, make that an ear twist. And then we'll make 2 more legs, 2-inch bubbles, the same size as our front 2 legs. Go back around the ear twist. Now tuck that up in slightly so that you can see where we go to the back here. And where it reaches that back ear twist, go around it once or twice. And you can kind of tuck that up in flush with the belly there. And because ladybugs have 6 legs, we'll make 2 more legs in the back. 2 more 2-inch legs. 1, 2. Twist that around our very back ear twist. Back legs a time or 2. Take the excess off. Twist it around a time or 2 to secure it. Tuck it up inside the shell. And then I'll add some spots on the shell. And obviously if you want to put a face, you'll have to have some sort of a white or silver marker that'll write on the black. And that's our basic little ladybug.